Hi everyone, with the new update to RightTool version 1.32.5 released on Thanksgiving Day, you can finally copy a journal entry from Excel or Google Sheets into QuickBooks Online. First, you need to turn on the Copy Excel to Journal feature on the Journal Entry Pro. After you click on Save and Refresh, and you go into a new journal entry screen, you will now notice a new icon on the top right of the screen. It looks like two red boxes. Before clicking on that icon, you are going to open your spreadsheet that contains the journal entry data you want to copy and paste into QuickBooks Online. Make sure that all the columns match the journal entry structure in your QuickBooks screen. It should be this order. 1. The account name. This could include or exclude the account number, works both ways. 2. The debit column, which will conjure in an amount, or be blank if there is an amount in credit instead. 3. The credit column, which could conjure in an amount, or be blank if there is an amount on the debit side. 4. The description or memo column. This is optional. 5. The name columns, typically to enter a customer, project, or vendor name. This is also an optional column. And 6 and 7, if you have classes or locations turned on, you can bring those in. Those two would be optional as well. Okay, now we are going to select all the data from the spreadsheet from the first account cell to the last credit column, or the optional descriptions, names, classes, and or locations columns, however long your spreadsheet might be. Make sure to ignore the header columns and do a regular copy function. Once copied, switch back to QuickBooks Online. Press the red icon and wait for the first process to cycle through all the current columns. Then a new pop-up window will show. From this window, all you need to do is put your cursor on the empty box, right-click and paste. You will see a preview of the data that is about to be pasted. Green and yellow cells mean that the paste will probably paste with no issues. Any red cells are an indication that the copy-paste function will probably fail due to one of the value not matching your QuickBooks Online database verbatim. Then, when you are ready, click on Run It and watch it do its magic. It should take roughly 1 second per line. Do not touch the mouse or keyboard while it is doing its thing. Do not move to another tab or window, just wait. If you want to, you can verify the sum of the total debits and credits from your spreadsheet to make sure it matches QuickBooks. And you can save and close to complete your journal entry.